Welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making cookie fries. Awesome. In a mixing bowl, put 50 grams of butter, 1 egg yolk, 25 grams of sugar and mix together. Add 75 grams of plain flour into that and some coloured sprinkles. Now mix to form a cookie dough. Use your hands. Chill that in the fridge for 20 minutes. Then take it out and place it between 2 sheets of baking paper, using a rolling pin to flatten it out. The baking paper is so that the cookie dough does not stick to the rolling pin. Cut out some strips. Tidy up the edges, and there are our fries! Ready to bake in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. And they're ready. Stick them in a bag. And there you have cookie fries. Wow, that was easy!